Welcome to your 1 minute of yoga teacher training. Today, by special request, we are going to talk about transitions again because so many yoga teacher trainings are remiss in teaching transitions. That's why today's 1 minute yoga teacher training is on how to transition people from standing to the floor. We've been doing a number of standing poses in our yoga class today. And it's time for us to bring people down to the floor. So how is it that we do that? We never want to say, just come to seated from here. That would be ridiculous because as yoga teachers, our job is to literally choreograph people from move to move, from space to space, so that they never have to think, so they can just check out in our class and really enjoy it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we're at the top of our mat. We've just finished our Vrksasana, our tree pose, and now it's time for us to come down into a seated pose. So from here, you're going to inhale, reach your arms to the sky. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale, look up and lengthen. Exhale, plant your hands, stepping back into a high plank position. From here, drop your knees, point your toes back, and lower down all the way to the ground. Inhale up to your cobra pose, and then exhale, curl under the toes, press back into a downward facing dog. Bring your right foot forward so that the knee touches the mat, left foot forward so that the other leg comes and meets it, coming into an easy seated pose. Hands to the heart center. And there we go. We just talked them from standing to seated. The one thing you never, ever want to do as a yoga teacher is just say, sit down. And this is why.